Before beginning to write a book, you need to understand why you want to write the book. There are 3 paths for writing a book. None of them is better or worse than the other 2. You may have more than one reasons to write a book. But if you want to succeed in writing a book and publishing it, you must consider one of these 3 paths as your primary path. In this video, we will have a look at the first path, that is, publishing for vanity. I love scuba diving, and even more than that, I love to talk about scuba diving, about how many dives I did, how much depth did I achieve, what kind of fish did I see. The fact that I can't comprehend is why people have that glazed look in their eyes when I start talking about scuba diving. At first, this used to irritate me. But now, I have come to understand that not everybody likes scuba diving like I do. But at the same time, I understand that I do not want to indulge in scuba diving as a profession. When I read about people who have climbed Mount Everest, I am on the other side of the fence. I fail to understand why people risk their lives and limbs to climb a mountain which thousands of people have climbed already. But that is their passion. They actually spend a small fortune to climb Mount Everest and they expect no monetary gains for doing it. Who am I to judge? The same thing can be applied to an author. Some people get the same sense of achievement by writing a book. After all, writing a book is no mean task. Unlike the people who have never written a book will tell you, writing a book is a matter of lot of effort and perseverance. So if you want to write for vanity, go ahead and do it. Despite what the naysayers will proclaim, there is no shame in writing for vanity. But it's a problem when you say you are writing for vanity, but secretly you wish that millions of people buy your book. Let's understand a fact. Wishing to sell 1,000,000 copies will not sell 1,000,000 or even 1,000 or even 10 copies of your book. Selling the book is a different ball game. Why people claim that they are writing for vanity and then they are not happy when their books don't sell? The primary reason for this is the fear of failure. You see, every artist or author craves recognition, and being rejected by their audience is the worst nightmare for an author. When an author thinks that he or she is not going to get the recognition that they deserve, they choose the easy route and say that the acceptance is not important for them. We will see how to overcome this fear in some subsequent videos. Just remember, there is no shame in writing for vanity. At least, you are not polluting Mount Everest with plastic waste by writing a book. Ask yourself one question and answer yourself honestly. Whether you are writing for vanity or do you want to make money from writing the book. In the next 2 videos, we will focus on 2 methods of making money from writing the book.